I'm sure you must have heard of the saying that hair business is the new oil money. Yes, the saying is very correct because there's a lot of money in hair business. So if you're thinking of starting an hair business and you don't know how to go about it, or you've already started an hair business and you're thinking of making much more from it, this video is for you.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Line. So if you're new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you get more videos on hairs and wigs from me. And also click on the like button and also share with your friends. Then leave a comment under this post. So let's go straight to the business of the day. So many people just go into the hair business just because they want to make money and just enter it like that. It's not enough for it's fine. The ultimate goal everybody wants to is to make money, yes. But you need to know a lot on hair business before you go into it. You can't just go into a business and not know the main details about it. That business you're just setting up that business for failure. If you don't know the main details about it, that business cannot be successful. So I'm here to bring you the secret on how to run a successful hair business in whatever location you are, whether Nigeria, whether out of the country, and many more. Firstly, you need to get into the business with the idea and the mindset that you want to know this business very well. And you want to be in this business for a long time. You can't just be in the business just because you want to make money temporarily. It's not going to be good for the business. You have to just be there like, I'm going to be here for a long period of time. So next thing you have to do is have passion for the business. Love the business. Because sometimes this business can be so tiring, yes. Any business you go into can be so tiring. But it's the passion you start with and the love you have for the business that keeps you going up, that keeps you going all the time, that wakes you up at night, you even think about strategies to run the business more and more. So have passion for the business. So as an hair vendor, you first learn these major points, which is the type of hairs. We have human hairs, we have human hair blend, we have fiber. So once you know the difference between these hairs, you're able to sell very well to your customers, and customers can be able to trust you that this is the type of hair you're selling and you're guaranteed to be able to give them the real quality of what they are asking for. So once you know the quality of hair you're selling, your customers will be glad and they'll be able to patronize you at all times. Next thing for you to know is know the different styles of hair we have. A lot of us just go there and post on Instagram, post on TikTok and many other social media platforms. Different hairs. You don't even know the names of the hair you are posting. The types of hair we are posting, we don't know. We have silky straight and we have bone straight also. We have yaki straight, we have kinky straight. For the coily hairs, we have Bonamins curls, pixie curls, we have bouncy curls, we have many types of curls, body waves, and name it deep wave, and many other type of curls. But many of us just post just for the sake of posting. You have to know what you're selling. Know it in total. You also have to know these important ones, which are the closures and frontals. There are different styles of closure, types of closure. We have 2x6, we have 2x4, we have 4x4, we have 5x5, we have 6x6. Some even have 7x7 now. And there's also frontal, there's 360. So you have to know all this. Is it full frontal the person wants? Is it closure with the person wants? Is it 2x6 closure? Is it 2x4 closure? Know your details very well as an hair vendor. This will really help you to succeed in hair business. Another important point I like to always say to people that want to start hair business is that know your niche. In the sense that, am I going to be selling complete human hair, 100% human hair wigs or bundles? Am I going to be selling human hair blend? Am I going to be selling fiber, that's synthetic hairs? Or am I going to pick the two together? Or pick just human hair and human hair blend? Or you're just going to be selling simply human hair, or just simply human hair blend, or simply synthetic? You have to know your niche. Pick whatever works very fine for you and you can cope with. So if you're going to pick any type of hair you're going to be selling, just do a fantastic job by knowing all about the hair very well. And don't sell bad quality product to your customers. Explain to them this kind of hair I'm selling, so that they will know. Don't sell human hair blends to customers as human hair. They won't be happy with the results, and they won't be coming back to come and buy from you. So choose your niche very well and know the products very well. Then also you need to know the difference between hair types. There is single drawn, there is double drawn, there is super double drawn. You have to know all those details very well. So you're able to tell your customer that, okay, this hair you're buying from me is a single drawn hair. or is a double drawn hair, or is a super double drawn hair. Know your facts correctly, like I've said earlier. Know the details about hair. So they won't say that you're a scam or you've taken their money and told them something different. So it will be a case of what I ordered versus what I got. Know what you're selling very well. So the next point is that you're going to decide whether you're going to go into the hair business by selling bundles or wigs. Am I going to choose between selling wigs or selling bundles? That's bundles of hair before they turn into wigs. So know what you want to go into in details. Or if you can do the two, all well and good, it's good. But you need to have the capacity to do the two. But if you're going to choose a particular one, choose wigs or you choose bundles. But if you're going to go into the two, like I said, it's very good. But just know you have the mind for it and the strength for it and capacity. That's the most important part. So the next point, for those that don't have the means to start the business in full by themselves, like the money, true value or no, to start the business in full by themselves, you can simply join someone that already has a standard business, that you know they sell quality. You can just message them that, can I be a dropshipper with you? Or be their distributor, whereby they will be selling to you and you'll be reselling to your customers, like retailer kind of thing. So when you message the hair vendor that you want to be a dropshipper with them, that is retailer with them, that way they can be sending you pictures of the hairs and wigs they have, and you ensure, most importantly, like I said, that they are selling quality and they have the type of hair you want to be selling. That is, if they are selling human hair, it's human hair you want to sell, you can join with someone that is selling human hair. And if it's human hair blend that you want to sell, you can join with a vendor that sells human hair. Or if it's synthetic, look for a big vendor that sells synthetic hairs. So you can be able to put price that is appropriate for your customers, and you'll be able to sell very well on the business. Simply join a wholesaler till you have the financial capacity to start the business by yourself. So this important point I would like to make. Please don't join every Tom, Dick and Harry to call any type of hair or many types of hair. Since it's human hair, you call it raw donor. If you were not there when they were cutting the hair from the owner of the hair, you don't have the right to call any hair raw donor. Except you're certain and you're sure that your wholesaler sells raw donor hair, and you're very certain and you saw the video of the person going to that country to cut the hair, don't call any hair raw donor. Simply call it virgin hairs. Tell your customer that it's quality virgin hairs you sell. Full stop. There's no need for extra wala on top of it. If you're not certain the hair is raw donor, please don't go and sell something else to your customers. Or because you want to make money. It's wrong, very wrong. So this part I want to share is an extra way to make income for you as a hair seller. Please learn how to style your wigs. Because if your customer buys hair from you and they will like, please can you style it or something, that's extra money for you in your pockets. Because that's not part of what they bought from you. That's not part of the money they paid for the hair they are buying. It's extra money for you. Just learn how to style the hair. It's not something difficult. Just learn it. And also if you can learn how to make wigs too, extra income too for you as an hair seller. So just learn all those few things that can make you give you extra income as an hair seller. So another point I'm going to be adding is the pricing. That is the price you put on your hairs to sell. So one thing about hair is that there's no fixed price you sell your hairs. There's no particular price. There's no price range or anything. People sell as they will. Most important thing is that sell quality to your customers. Let them see the value they are getting for the hairs they are getting from you. Let them see the value. Sell quality. That's the most important part. Quality sells like magic. Quality does your business very good or very good. So please sell qualities to your customers. Your pricing doesn't matter to them as long as they are getting quality. Please ensure you sell qualities. So with all this point that you've learned, some of us are wondering that, okay, now that I've learned all this, so how do I start the hair business? With all the points you've learned, start with your immediate families. They must patronize you. They have to patronize what you are selling. Start with your friends, your families, anybody around you. Tell them about your business, that this is what I'm doing. Please patronize me. Then from there, you see the growth. And also, have an active social media platform. Don't have all the followings in the world before you get customers. You should be active on your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and TikTok. And any other platform you can sell your wigs. Or else, you should be active on those platforms. You never can tell. People come from any part of the world just to message you to come and buy from you. And also, you have to do sponsor that. If you don't do sponsor that, you don't get more audience than the regular ones you already have in your contacts. Please do all those things. It will help you grow in your business very well. Lastly, be truthful to your customers. There's no need for you to lie. If this is what you have, tell them this is what I have. The ones that will buy from you, they will buy from you. One thing you should know is that your customers, if they are your customers, they are your real customers, they won't go anywhere else. They will still patronize you. You don't need to lie just because you want to make a sale. So it's not be an issue of what I ordered versus what I got from my vendor. You won't be happy while people are complaining about what they are buying from you. So be truthful to your customers. Tell them this is exactly what they are getting, and they will get it the way they are getting it. You sent it to them, I mean. So be truthful to your customers. Then also pray for your business. Prayer does a lot in business. It makes the business grow. It makes the business boom. It even gives you more ideas on how to run the business better. So pray about your business every single time. If you've watched the video this far, that means you enjoyed the video. Kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be getting more videos like this from us. And also leave a comment under this post and click on the like button. Also share with your family and friends so they can learn more on hairs and wigs. Thank you. See you in my next YouTube video. Bye.